Today we will be testing the VIX3M indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the VIX3M indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 547 indicators, with 232 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the VIX3M indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the setup on this is relatively simple. It is a zero line cross. We call it a zero line cross, but it's not actually a zero line that is pivoting around, but that's all right. Like I said, we have the center line right here, which we will consider to be the zero line. It's basically at the 1.0000 whatever. And so what we're looking for is when we get a red breakout or breakdown to the downside there, then we are going to go short. When we get a green breakout to the upside, then we are going to go long. And so that's a pretty simple setup. We've done this multiple times before. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal. You can see right here, we get that push and break to the upside with a green bar. And you can see that price action pushes up pretty nicely there, getting us to the take profit. Then we get one candle right here that goes red, and then immediately it goes back to green. And so that is a signal to the short side right there, but it stops us out as we flip back to the long side. And then that long side trade right there pushes up pretty nicely there, a nice little push up. And there we go. That really confirms it there. Push to the upside there, also getting us to take profit as well. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up a short signal right here. You see that push, price action pushes down really nicely there, getting us to our take profit. Then once again, we pick up one candle signal there as it goes long, then immediately flips back to the short side, and then immediately flips back to the long side. So we take two losing trades there before we pick up this long, which gets us to our take profit as price action pushes up there. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here, there and there, get everything in focus. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winners. 7 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. All in all, yeah, didn't give us enough trades in 1 year's time, and didn't do so accurately on the ones that it did have. Little too quick. It seemed like there was a little bit of a buffer in between it actually switching over from red to green. Like there was a little bit of a buffer period there. I think I seen like right here for an example, and I thought that might help out a little bit in keeping us from getting in these whipsaw trades like this area right here. But unfortunately it didn't do too much, was still whipsawing us in and out of trades, one right after another, losing trade, losing trade, losing trade. And so yeah, that pretty much put the nail in the coffin in this one. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.